welcome to my channel. I'm going to be doing a quick little look at my bathroom. It's basically the only space I don't really intend on changing all that much, except for like the stuff that's being stored in there. So I thought I would start out with that really tiny door. And a bath mat, which I really like. It's from Target. It's a little big for the space, but I just like how vibrant it is and the message, because I've been trying to embrace positivity more and be less negative and critical of myself and others, so that's a good reminder. This is an overview. It's a pretty small bathroom. It's not standard sized at all, but it fits everything, including, I'm pretty sure that's a full-size bathtub. Correct me if I'm wrong. I did look at other apartments and I saw one that was very clearly not a standard size tub. So this is closer to a standard size tub. I just want to give you a little warning. It's a no makeup day, but I know I looked kind of dead with no lip color on, so I did slap on a bit of a lip tint gloss thing. But other than that, no makeup, because I'm trying to give my skin a little bit of a break. I've been getting pimples consecutively for like 3 months in this area specifically. Like every time a pimple goes away, another one comes up. Right now I have 2. This one's on the bottom's actually inactive, and it had just like died, and then the other one popped up. So I don't know what's going on. I might have to do some more like elimination of certain foods, probably dairy or something like that. Been eating a lot of ice cream. Here's an overview. We've got this wonderful shelf, and this is probably my favorite thing, this little storage shelving thing area. I'll start with the least exciting part of the bathroom, the shower, I think. This is really tall. I think this is over 6 feet tall, and I don't really want to talk about how tall the shower head is over there. So I had to actually tie this because it wouldn't stay up with suction cups, despite it kind of advertising that it would. Yeah, so it's not very aesthetically pleasing, but it works. It hasn't fallen down yet. Okay, so I hate that I'm like this, but I have 3 shampoos and 3 conditioners, and I do use all 3 shampoos. I don't really use one of the conditioners if I want to. It's a hair mask. It dries my hair out a little bit. It's a L'Oreal one. I've got 2 scrubs. One is a physical scrub from Soap & Glory. The other one's an chemical kind of scrub from, it's not a scrub, chemical exfoliant from Trader Joe's. Face wash, African black soap, bar soap, and my 3 conditioners and 3 shampoos. You got a face cloth, one of those things, and one of those things, which I don't even have body wash really, so that's just there for when I do get body wash. We're trying a new face wash right now from a.k.a. I was just really getting frustrated with these pimples, so I was trying everything. This one, the reviews said that this really like cleared up some pimples and prevented new pimples from coming up, and it seemed to be working for a little bit, but alas, it doesn't. This is the Brilliantly Brightening one. I do like this one though. I got it from Whole Foods, so it's pretty easy to get your hands on. And then I have this sweet almond oil here. I use this as my body lotion basically during the summer months, and the reason it's here is because the bottle tends to leak. I'm actually finding that it's not moisturizing enough for the winter time, so I'm kind of like mixing it a little bit with my body butter, which is over here. I've talked about this one in the past. It's Trader Joe's pumpkin body butter, so I'm kind of using that one a lot now. I had a colorful shower curtain, not that colorful, it was like cream and pink, but I just felt like this was more like peaceful and neutral looking, especially for such a small bathroom. I didn't want it to make it look too much was going on, so I returned the shower curtain and I just use this now, which is perfectly fine. I've got a medicine cabinet here. I'm just gonna go over the stuff here. Okay, I just have a little mini rant here. This, I think, is a standard enamel sink, but it is so high maintenance. Like, I don't know what these grooves are for. I would think that it's for soap, but it's like at the edge, it's very narrow. It's only like 1.5 inches over here. So I'm not really sure what purpose these things serve, but they collect dust and other things so quickly. Like I washed this before I filmed the video, so it's clean now, but in 2 days it's gonna be like dusty and yellow over here, and I don't know why. Does anyone have any tips? And also, this thing here, you can see watermarks so easily and so clearly. like, I only now really clean this thing when I have people coming over because there's no point. It just gets dirty in like a second. So yeah, standard toothpaste, toothbrush, and hand soap. Suction cup here for my hand towel because there are no like racks outside of the shower. I don't have a place for toilet paper rolls, so I have to keep it on this shelving thing here. This is gonna probably look different in like a couple months because the reason a lot of this stuff is here is because I don't have a dresser yet. And because I don't have a dresser, it's like a multi-tiered reason. Because I don't have a dresser, I'm keeping my clothes in the closet on a shelving unit. So once I move the clothes into the dresser, I'm gonna move some of these extras into the closet. We've got toilet paper here, like hairstyling stuff. All my hairstyling stuff is basically here, and two of them are back there. I don't ever use them. It's like a hairspray and a sea salt spray. I just don't. Like the only hairstyling things I actually use are this heat protectant and dry shampoo. Extra hand soaps, extra conditioner, and shampoo. Then here I have two of these like linen tubs, boxes, got from Bed Bath & Beyond. This one holds my hair tools. This is my really ancient hair dryer from college. And my straightening iron, which I've been using more lately. My hair's been a little berserk. And then some random things, band-aids and makeup wipes. Down here is like toiletries, obviously. Cotton rounds, toothpaste, razors, contacts, contact solution. And I got 2 extra pumpkin body butters from Trader Joe's recently because these are limited edition for this time of year, and it takes me like a month or a month and a half to go through each of these, so I'm stocked up for the rest of the winter, I hope. I'll probably run out like in March or something, but this is good enough. Okay, over here is my like little fragrance corner. I have a couple of extra body splashes over there, but these are the ones basically that I'm working on. Well, I'm really only working on this one right now, but that one's gonna be in rotation as soon as I'm done with this one. It's Bath & Body Works White Tea and Ginger. This is a room spray from Lucia. I want to get a diffuser, but I haven't yet. So for now, I'm just using this soy candle that I picked up from Trader Joe's in Honeycrisp Apple. This smells really nice and fresh, and it actually packs a pretty powerful punch in like making this small, tiny bathroom smell pretty good. All right, got my electric toothbrush and my water pick, which I haven't used since I moved in here. I have used it in the past, definitely. A clock is very necessary for when you're getting ready in the morning. You can't always rely on your phone, especially when you're listening to the radio on it. Okay, we've got some plugs up here, which kind of stupid because I can't plug my hair dryer in here while this thing is plugged in, and I have to plug this in because this relies on that to even charge. So I've got my ordinary hyaluronic acid here. I keep it out here because I will forget to apply it in the morning. If I don't keep it here, I put it under my SPF. This is my basic everyday makeup right here. My brushes and mascaras. I would prefer not to keep it here just because I think the heat and the humidity from the shower probably affects the chemical makeup of these things, but for now I don't have a dresser, I don't really have a table, so this is gonna have to do for now. But mascaras, brushes, concealer, highlighter, blah blah blah. And I need to get I don't need to, but I would like to get a small dish for my jewelry. This is my everyday jewelry, my earrings, my rings, and this is my medicine cabinet, which stores basically all my other beauty stuff. So I have a mirror inside, which is handy, and some of this stuff will probably move out of here once I do get a dresser. Like this takes up a lot of space, and that has nothing to do with anything. This is a gold jewelry cleaner, some travel size stuff here and here. My essential oils are back there because I have nowhere else to store them right now, but they probably shouldn't be in the bathroom. This also shouldn't be in here. It's my perfume, Flora by Gucci. It's Oh Fresh. Glasses, face masks, more travel size bottles, a deodorant I don't like the scent of. This everyone knows. Some tools up here. Oh, by the way, I use contact lens cases when I travel. to store things. This contains face wash and this contains SPF. Actually, I should use this up before it dries up or something. Urban Decay All-Nighter Setting Spray and my Drunk Elephant minis here. This is the hyaluronic acid, the glycolic acid, the marula oil, and the C Firma. Probably shouldn't keep these in here either. I probably shouldn't keep any of this stuff in here, honestly. I don't know. I mean, what do you know about medicine cabinets? This is my first one that I've had on my own, so I used to only previously keep like face wash, toothpaste, and things like that. But now that I'm living alone, you know, have a little bit more space for my own stuff. So are medicine cabinets good places to keep makeup and skincare? Let me know down below. This is sunscreen. My oils over here, Ordinary Argan Oil, that's Olivia Care Rosehip Oil. Eye cream, the current night cream I'm using, which is the Algenist Absolute Hydration Replenishing Sleeping Pack. Almost done with that, and it's probably not going to be very hydrating for the winter, so I'm glad I'm almost done with that. I just got this recently, I'm just trying it out. I don't really love it, it's okay. Trader Joe's Rosewater Facial Toner. A regular deodorant, which I don't really use anymore. I should probably get rid of it or something. This is my all-time favorite. I just got this over the summer, but I love the scent of this. It's Schmidt's Jasmine Tea deodorant. I know, it's crazy that I have a favorite deodorant, but the scent is just amazing. Contact lens solution, SPF, my holy grail, Kiss My Face. The current BB cream I'm using, which I've been using for like 2 years. I'm almost done with it. It's Physicians Formula. Eye drops here, MAC Strobe Cream, which I intended on using underneath my BB cream, but I haven't gotten around to it because I don't want to like irritate my face, my skin. This is a Real Techniques beauty blender type thing. And that's basically the entirety of my bathroom. The mirror faces the toilet, so that's always fun. Yeah, I really like it. It's my favorite room in my apartment. I don't really have that many rooms, but I just like how clean it is. I really like the color scheme. Whoever lived here before, I guess, remodeled it, and it's very natural looking. I like wood. I like white and wood. It's very clean and just minimal. I hope to get rid of some of this stuff eventually so it looks more minimalist. So that's it. Let me know if you have any questions. Let me know what your cleaning tips are, because I've never had such issues keeping like enamel clean. I don't get it. So thanks for watching, and let me know if you have any questions about anything. Let me know what kinds of videos you want to see in the future, whether you want to see more apartment videos, even though it's really not set up at all yet. I did get 2 nightstands, but I'm still waiting for like living room furniture. And then I'll probably do some like what I eat / what I buy from the grocery store videos coming up. And then we're gonna be in December soon, and I'll probably do Vlogmas, but I have to come up with some ideas because I'm running out of like Christmassy ideas. Thank you so much for watching and for subscribing, and I will see you soon. My package arrived from Target. I'm such a dork. I got a puzzle. Yes. This is a Thomas Kincaid puzzle of a pumpkin festival. I'm really excited. I also bought one of these rolling mats for your puzzle. I don't even know it's gonna be this small. Whoa, this is way bigger than I expected. A rolling pin for when I make pastries. And I ordered this set from La Roche-Posay because I need to do something about my pimples, and yeah, I'm gonna try this system out. I'll let you know what I think. All right, see you soon.